Hi, in this video I will show you a brand new feature that GoHighLevel has just released. Specifically, you can now transfer contacts within the workflow sections from one sub-account to another. This has been a common practice for those who, for instance, have divided their business into multiple sub-accounts to better organize things. There are times when you might want to categorize certain clients into specific subgroups, and this can be achieving using multiple sub-accounts. Previously, this was often managed using the external tool Zapier, but that's no longer necessary. We are back in our sub-account and we will navigate to automations. Here, I'm selecting one of the new workflows, assuming you already have a trigger set up. As always, there are countless ways to utilize this new feature. Your trigger could be, for example, a client's response to a text message you sent. Now you have the new option to include copy contact as an action. Of course, you can still rename the action as we've always done. But now you can choose a sub-account from all the sub-accounts you have access to. I've selected my project flag starts. You can also decide whether to copy tags or custom fields. You can toggle this option on or off. We'll keep it on and save the settings. That's the whole magic behind it. You have access to this feature regardless of the plan you're on with GoHighLevel. The key is to ensure you haven't disabled this feature in your agency settings. If you can't use this new option, you probably haven't activated in the settings. Typically, such a premium action comes at a cost, but you get 100 executions entirely free for both existing and new sub-accounts. Ensure you've turned on the rebilling if you're enabling it for your clients, should you wish to do so. See you in the next video.